Boom, welcome back to a brand new video, guys. I am on my way down to South Florida. I am picking up the new car either Monday or early Tuesday morning. I am not sure yet. I'm gonna take you guys on the adventure. On my way now, I got a 7.5 hour drive, so I just got done packing. Y'all can see. So I'm on my way out and I'll catch y'all there. See ya. Other than that, today I wanna do muffler delete on this bad boy. They sound really good from what I've seen on YouTube and all that. I really want to try it. For all of us, the car is a really quiet stock, so hopefully with the muffler delete we do today, hopefully gives us some more sound and a more aggressive tone that should have came out of factory. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and give you some sound clips what it sounds OEM. Then when we go ahead and take the mufflers off, I'll go ahead and give you some sound clips of what it sounds without the mufflers. See, too quiet. So let's go ahead and get over to the exhaust shop and let's go ahead and get these mufflers taken off and see y'all there. So I just made it over here at the exhaust shop getting my mufflers deleted, so the car should be done here shortly. If you're wondering what the place is called, Extreme Muffler Performance. It's off Jimmy Carter Boulevard. Just ask for Alan, tell him Gabe sent you. Doing all my cars for a couple of years now. Muffler deletes, exhaust systems, anything you can do, catalytic converters, anything. Set them up if y'all need anything. You should be hearing the exhaust here soon, so I'll let y'all hear that soon. Boom, just like that, guys, we made it back to the house. We got the mufflers deleted. I couldn't bring the camera, it was raining out there, so the clip that you're gonna see before this, for sure, it's gonna be recorded on my iPhone, so I couldn't bring the camera out. It's too rainy outside, but got the mufflers deleted on this thing. If you can see it, I had a custom Y pipe built to take out the mufflers underneath. It was a little bit pricey. Let's see if you can get under there and see it. It's really wet outside. But yeah, factory resonators are still on, just the mufflers are deleted. It sounds really good. It's a little bit of drone. Hopefully y'all enjoy. Stay tuned. We got some big things coming for this car. Big things for the Stinger. I mean, it's a badass car. I mean, you can't go wrong with a 3.3 liter twin turbo V6 Korean car. So, okay, well, catch y'all in the next video. Peace.